Occupational structure and infrastructure. Occupational structure. Amid the colonial rule, the occupational structure of India displayed its backwardness. The agricultural domain accounted for the biggest workforce, which typically stayed at a high of 70 to 75%, and the manufacturing unit and service divisions represented just 10 and 15 to 20% respectively. There existed a developing regional disparity, with few states, for instance Odisha, Rajasthan and Punjab, seeing an expression in the agricultural workforce, while the states Maharashtra and West Bengal witnessed a decrease in the reliance of the workforce dependent on the agriculture sector. Infrastructure. Constructed roads in India preceding the colonial rule were not suitable for modern-day transport. The roads developed primarily just for the purposes of mobilizing the force inside India and transporting raw materials from the countryside to the port or closest railway station for trading different spots. The British government introduced railways in India in 1850. It is considered as one of the finest contributions of Britishers. The railways influenced the structure of the Indian economy adequately, as it helped individuals to break land hindrances and promote commercialization in the Indian agriculture as well. The colonial government also introduced air transport services in 1932 by introducing Tata Airlines. Modern postal service began in India in 1837. The primary telecommunication framework line was opened in 1857. The service of electric telegraph system in India particularly filled for the purpose of maintaining law and order.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.